Hi, world! Today we are going to check out Marina Bay Sands. It's one of the most famous hotels in the world, and unique because there's no other buildings quite like this one.
That's Marina Bay Sands!
Let's go inside and take a look. Whoa, that's a long way up.
Right now we're in the middle of Tower 1 and Tower 2. The lobby is gigantic.
That's Gardens by the Bay outside the window. You can see the super trees. We're gonna go there in a different video. It's one of my favorite places in Singapore. Did you know that Marina Bay Sands has its own shopping mall? It's filled with luxury stores, and if you want some super expensive shoes, handbags, or clothes, then that's the place. Let's take a quick look inside, then come back to the hotel. This here is the most ridiculous part of the mall. Is that supposed to be an imitation of Venice? Why would anyone want a fake gondola ride on a fake river inside a mall? I have been to Venice, and this is what it looks like. Riding a gondola inside a mall is no comparison to the real thing.
We're in Venice on a gondola. It's awesome.
The mall is pretty big, but I didn't buy anything because it's so expensive. Outside at night, you can watch the lights show for free. Take a look. I like all the lights. It looks really pretty at night. At the top of Marina Bay Sands is a sky park and a swimming pool on the 57th floor with amazing views of Singapore. It costs 23 Singapore dollars to enter the sky park for non-hotel guests. The infinity pool is for hotel guests only.
So, since the hotel and pool look so awesome, then why are we not staying here? That's because we rented this almost as awesome hotel with a rooftop pool and amazing views for $175, and Marina Bay Sands costs $800 per night. Which one do you think is a better value for money? Coming up in our next video, we go to Gardens by the Bay, and it's one of my favorite places in Singapore. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.